It does mean a lot to us. You have supported us from the very beginning, and we're gonna leave you with this one. This does go out to you guys, no joke intended. So glad you made it. We are so glad you guys came out tonight. Thank you very much. Read the news and her interview. She went up, she went high, went low.